Hello. Today we'll look at a common case of fixing cyclic dependencies in C++. This is the error. The type class isn't visible to the compiler due to a loop in the include files. So, let's get down to fixing it. First, let's look at the path the compiler took using include. The header of this type is declared in the type definition.hpp file. In this file, before declaring the class, we include the type storage.hpp file, the nested include files, of which already use the type class. This is how we get this error. To fix this, we need to split the implementation into a class declaration file and a method implementation file. For type storage.hpp, let's do it. Let's create a file that will contain declarations of our class. And transfer his declaration. The declaration file should only include class definition files, not their implementation. Therefore, let's replace the typeinfo.hpp file with typeinfo.definition.hpp. And the implementation file must contain the implementation file. And include in the definition file. Now let's change the method headers. Let's try to build the program. Now you need to include not the type storage.hpp file, but the type storage definition.hpp file. And in the type.hpp file, include the implementation of the methods themselves. Let's try to build the program. This is a small mistake. Now we get a linker error that we have two implementations. There are two ways to solve this. The first is to specify that the method be inline. The second is to include the implementation file in only one CPP file. This is implemented in this library using macros. We will choose the first one. Great, the bug has been fixed. Have a nice morning, day, evening, and night, everyone.